program that you'd like to highlight over there at FERC?
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you. So one of the things I want to highlight is we have a major program called the Application Layer Modernization Program. It's taking a lot of the mission applications that we have at FERC and modernizing them from legacy software and hardware into completely re-platformed, re-architected, many times pure SaaS services. So what we've done with this Zero Trust effort is we've tried to make it really simple for the application teams and when they deploy. So rather than having to guess what are the security requirements, what do I need to do, or what should I do in this case versus that case, we've built our enterprise services so the applications can just consume them. So in this case, the specific application that would be modernized, it's an application that's used by the commission for decision-making processes, electronically transfers these orders throughout different stages of decision-making, all the way to when the commissioners make an electronic vote, and then these orders become ready for the public within one of our commissions. So what we've done in that is, as they were developing that, if you look at each of the layers of the Zero Trust, our identity layer was built out, and the application was stood up, integrated straight with our identity provider, multi-factor authentication, didn't even have to think about it. They were most purely SaaS, but any server components they had on the device pillar automatically has our endpoint detection response, all the policies, all the hardening. Again, they don't have to worry about it. On the network side, I mentioned earlier in the previous question, spend a lot of time making sure everything internal is also encrypted. And on the application side, we actually embedded someone within their team that performed threat modeling. We did code analysis and basically manually expert sitting with them day to day throughout their entire project lifecycle. So we make sure the security is embedded. And some of the feedback that we got at the end of that, like it was just outstanding and simple because they didn't have to kind of keep going back and forth. It was there for them. It was embedded. They knew what to do. And then at the data layer, not only encrypting their data at rest, but also we had a whole easy to use, incorporate their logs, build up the alerts, make sure that we know what's going on. So they could focus their effort and energy on building the application. That, in essence, that's what really matters, right? If that application doesn't work, FERC can't complete its mission. So then the security part is just built in there and ready to use rather than having to figure out what to do. So I think the Zero Trust program really helped us achieve that.